Hi everyone, welcome back to my Guitar Seekho series number 7. Now, today I have taken two topics to tell you. I am going to tell you about two things. One is how to develop coordination between the two hands, the left and the right hand. I have chosen a tune composed by the Ventures. It was a rock band in America in 1960s. The name of the tune is Wipe Out. You can practice and develop coordination between the two hands. If you rest your palm here, use alternate picking. Alternate means one down, one up, down, up. This is called alternate picking. Now coming to the left hand, the tune begins with the note G here, 6th string. These are the three notes to add to the beginning. Let me tell you, this tune is in 4/4 tempo. Tempo means time, rhythm, strumming pattern. So 4/4, the name of the tune is Wipe Out. It is in C major scale, C major key. Look at this. G, A sharp, B is the link. Coming to C, 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 A sharp, G, G. Play each time two notes after this link. G, A sharp, B, C, 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 A sharp, G, G. This you have to play 3 times. For example, C, 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 A sharp, G, G. This you have to play 3 times. But at the beginning, play these 3 notes. G, A sharp, B as a link. Then come to C, 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 A sharp, G, G. Again, link. Fourth time, G once only. I repeat, look at this. Start with the G note. Start counting from here. C, 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 A sharp, G, G. This you have to play thrice. Linking. Fourth time, once. So, once I'll play again. Fourth time, G. Don't forget to use alternate picking as far as the right hand is concerned. Alternate means down, up, down, up. This is the practice exercise for you to practice well slowly. You can take or choose the metronome rate or the speed between 60 to 70. It depends on your playing skill. You can take 60 beats per minute also. Now coming to the second point, today's second point is I have taken the tempo waltz. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This is called 3/4 timing. 1, 2, 3. Now, when teaching strumming pattern or the tempo or the rhythm, we can take the pattern of waltz and subdivide those 3 beats. For example, we are not subdividing the first one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The second variation may be 1, 2 and 3. We have subdivided the second bit into and. And means upstroke. Look at this. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Next, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. Like this, we can subdivide all the 3 beats adding and or upstroke. For example, 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and the next one 1 and 2 and 3 and you can subdivide each beat taking the upstroke by saying and. For example, I have taken 1, 2 and 3 and this is commonly used 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3 and I'll give you a few examples of the songs you can practice. I have uploaded a couple of songs in this rhythm, that is waltz. First one, take तुमको पाया है 1, 1 and 2 and 1, 2 and 3 तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया. This one. The second one is lag ja gale. It is in D major. 1, 2 and 3 lag ja gale se phir. See, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2 and 3 and. For example, another example I'll give you of a very good song. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2 and 3. बड़े अच्छे लगते हैं ये धरती. Hope you will practice seriously with the metronome, and if you want quality, be patient. Quality is never an accident. It's always the result of an intelligent effort, and there must be the will to produce a superior thing. Thank you for watching the video.